So today we're gonna play Girls and Boys Roblox Tower. So my brother is in the voice room.
Is in the.
I'm lagging. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging.
Okay, so we're gonna play this one tower. So my ate is full. Okay, let's go. Let's go begin. When the one is the temple. The temple.
Yes.
When he won.
And then I hope the boys don't troll me again. Don't troll me. Please. Please. Do not troll me. Oh, no. Please don't troll me. Pretty girl.
Pretty boy.
Oh, yay. No trolling.
Don't troll me.
Don't troll me.
Okay.
No, Ellie. No. Yay.
Let's go. Okay.
I'm literally lagging.
Okay.
Oh. Who's that?
This
Oh,
girlfriend.
Ellie died. Again. Not again, but he just died. I fell! No, I fell. No, oh my gosh. I'm so lagging.
Me too.
And I have screen recorder. I'm so lagging. But it's okay. Oh, no, I fell. No.
I fell.
No.
No, I fell.
I'm gonna go here. Oh. I think I quit. I'm so lagging and they kept calling me.
Me trying to login.
So, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching my short video. Bye-bye.